Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We decided to do this makeup look, that's our makeup look, and we got ready and we answered some of your questions as well. And it was really fun having Pantu in my channel. And
Thank you so much for having me, Lemmy. It's so great that I'm able to connect with your fans and followers in Nepal.
Yeah, she loves Nepal. So we did answer a lot of questions as well and we got ready. So if you're interested, then please keep watching. Start the makeup and also answer some of your questions. How do you start your makeup?
So I start my makeup with the concealer.
Straight to concealer.
Yeah.
You don't need moisturizer.
I've already moisturized myself. I've put sunscreen.
Okay. And we'll also answer some of the questions that you guys asked us. So I'm gonna ask one too. Starting from, how did she start her modeling career? Also lots of love.
I started modeling in college. I used to first model, actually didn't model much in college. Just some seniors would tell me that we have these comments and what do you want to do?
She
A
studied
shoot.
fashion design in Berlin.
Oh yeah, I was at NIFT guys, it's called National Institute of Fashion Technology. So my seniors would make these gorgeous outfits and they wanted me to wear them and I would just like pose. And I always enjoyed posing and I love clothes. So that's where I kind of started modeling. But I wasn't as much into it till I finally got into Miss India. I got selected for Miss India and after that I started coming on the television.
Yay! And then, yeah, that's how she started.
And then I did a bunch of fashion shows and yeah, a lot of shoots.
How did you guys meet? Good question.
I met Lemmy because of modeling. I was there in Nepal for a shoot.
Yeah,
we were
went
at
to
Mustang.
Mustang.
It's Mustang, okay.
Mustang.
Mustang, and I met her and we just got along so well. We were both so similar in the things we wanted to do. We were both so ambitious and we are like very similar in nature.
Yeah, we're very calm and we both are really spiritual. And then right after we
Oh,
met,
we're not as calm, we're very impulsive as well, but like we know how to completely take over all the chaos and become calm again.
so yeah, we met.
Yeah, and mostly like she is so positive and so am I. And you know, like we have this, yeah, we vibe really well and we're really enjoying together with each other. You know, and lost in our own world and just talking about anything that stresses us out. So I think the fun aspect of it is what I really enjoy. And we were in Mustang on our way back after the shoot. And then we stole oranges from a house, from the tree, and we shared about our crushes and our best friends and our dreams,
on our way
our
back, that's how
goals.
we got
We
close.
talked a lot.
So then we shared a room and we became roomies.
No,
Pokhara.
you were.
No. We shared room in Pokhara. We stayed together.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Oh yes. So I had come with another model.
Yeah.
Pradhani. She's a beautiful yogi and model. And I realized like by the end of the Mustang trip, I was like, let's just take a room together. I was like, I'm gonna stay with Lemmy. And then she knew she had like these localite friends, and we went around. We went to this place that looked like Santorini. We went to a
Tangier.
lake, and we went to that lake.
Firwatal, yeah. And yeah, we really became close in Mustang and Pokhara on our way back. We talked about a lot of things and yeah, we vibed together. Like really well. Okay, I applied my foundation. What did you do?
I
Oh, you got
usually
your
like put.
makeup.
I just got it from Sephora.
You asked
Sometime
me
back.
Oh, I like
This is the one.
Oh, nice.
So guys, since Lemmy is such an expert at makeup, before shopping, like I like to show her this is what I'm planning to
Yeah,
get.
she
and stuff.
asked me.
Listen, I haven't applied any foundation. Should I?
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, I didn't want to apply foundation. Never mind.
It's okay. That's a pimple. Little pimple. Growing.
Oh, my skin is so clear. Just realized. Okay. Yeah, that's how we became close. And what is something that annoys you both about each other?
That Lemmy uses her phone a lot. It doesn't annoy me. We just meet so little that, you know, I'm like, child, keep your phone away.
Yeah, so when we meet, she hates when I use my phone, and I'm always like posting stories and like doing a lot of stuff. But it's okay.
And that's also her job.
And then, so the one thing that annoys me about you is there's nothing. Yeah, there's nothing. Yeah, she kisses me a lot and she does this a lot. I'm like, go away.
Oh, and she puts her leg on me at night. I think which is worse.
A little bit of concealer. Okay, so next question is, how did you guys meet? How did she start her modeling career? I already asked you. The love you lots. You are such an inspiration. Thank you. Are you from a rich fam or everything that's your now is self-made? I don't know if this question before, but
Guys, I think both of us, like my dad was in the army and I had a great life. There was a lot of good things about my life. But yeah, probably the lifestyle that rich people would live in a way, but I don't come from a very rich background. And I think same applies for them. It's completely different. I don't even know what to call it. It's like you're doing everything that rich people do. You're horse riding and you're swimming and you're sitting in the front row of the auditoriums. You're being shot. There's a lot of VIP treatment that I got because of my father at times. And at times, you know, life was about going to this new cantonment, to a new school, adjusting to a new life. So it's very different, and I don't like to judge a lifestyle based on rich or whatever. So, but yeah, what we're doing today is something that nobody in our family does. So everything that we've achieved by ourselves.
yeah, even I come from a really simple family, not super rich, but like medium. I went to a really good school, I went to good college, I got good education. I'm really thankful for my parents for that. But once I started my career, I started, you know, doing things by myself. I was independent from 20 when I was like 19 to 20. So yeah, we don't come from like super rich family, and whatever we've done is completely different. Like I'm the first one to do this in our family.
Yeah, and I think both of us got financially independent also right after college.
Yeah, at a really young age. So we were like self-made. We started from zero. She started from zero too. So that's how we connect as well. You know, like we both.
Yeah, and we understand each other and we
Yeah.
support each other because we know, you know, how much effort goes into. When you work hard, you realize what hard work is, what hustle is, what it is to dream and to achieve it in little installments.
Yeah, and when we met, she was getting into acting. You were out from Indian Next Top Model, right?
Yeah.
And I was also like doing really good in Nepal, but I was studying in Bombay, and that's how we connected, you know. And we know our struggle. So you know, if she goes to Oscar someday wearing that red gown and like winning the awards, and I would be so happy for her. And I always wish her the one, you know, just doing your thing, because I know that's your dream, and you know my dream is
To become a multi-millionaire, billionaire.
No, I've been dreaming of having my own makeup line since 5 years, and you know, she'll be happy to see me there, I'll be happy to see her there. Like, we support each other really well. From what age you started working?
For me, I started working, I started modeling at 17 and I started professionally working by 1920. Yeah. My ads and all, TV ads and Miss India, all of that.
Even mine is 1920. Okay, so your best memories with each other?
I think mine definitely are when I met her. But even after that, you know, every time she's back to Mumbai, it's so great. There's so much positivity. And I think right now, the memories we're making right now. these are just my favorite memories.
For me, it's having chai together and doing the yoga together when we lived in Andheri East. It was out of nowhere. I don't know why we lived there. We were neighbors, and that place was out of nowhere, but it had a really nice, what do
We
you
had
call
a
that?
beautiful house
View
there.
and beautiful house. So we used to
It
have.
was so huge with the drawing room and everything, which I like miss because even this house is quite big.
Yeah, and we used to have chai together and do yoga together. So yeah, just a little memories. That. Oh, you bought this as well. Girl did a lot of shopping. I know what she had. I knew what she had was Kubika Bagma, and if she buys a new thing, then I'll know. And she do shop a lot. The mall's open, right?
Yeah.
I have to shop as well. I really have to get a lot of products because a lot of our products is inspired. So, yeah. So, honest first impression of each other. Lots of love to both. Okay, what was the impression? First impression of me?
First impression was that we were going to the airport. We met at the airport, and she was just there, like she was late, and I was like, I don't want to miss this flight because I was from India. I didn't have a SIM there, and yeah. But I think we were just, I don't know. I don't form impressions that sooner. I was just like,
I
okay,
was like
someone.
all done up and I was very late at the airport and they were waiting for me.
Then I was shocked at the airline system of Nepal because here we board half an hour before and there it was already the time for the flight to go and we're still doing a check-in and security. And I was like, does it really work like that? Okay, that's cool.
Yeah,
It also felt like very homely, like you're at home and you're just taking a flight. And that flight was so amazing. It was this little plane and the view was fantastic. Like the entire way I was shooting videos.
It was really normal. I knew that, she's a model. She and Pradayani, she's a yogi now, as we talked about it earlier. So she came from Chennai, she came from Mumbai. So I knew there were like two models coming for a shoot, and it was my impression was she's a model, her impression was I'm a makeup artist. You know how normal people act. It was nothing like special or woo or something like that. Which vaccine you put? We did what, COVID shield, right?
Me
She
too.
did like a week back and I did yesterday and I'm still loaded. For Pranati, Nepal कस्तो लाग्छ?
Nepal बहुत अच्छा लाग्छ. I think Nepal is a stunning place because my first impression was all over the hills in Mustang and in Pokhara, Mustang and Pokhara, and I think those places are just so beautiful. Yeah, it was very beautiful. I think there's a lot of natural beauty, and what are the other places we went? Yeah, we went up the Himalayas basically. And then on way Jomson, and on way back I came to Pokhara, and of course like I met Lemmy, and then via Lemmy I met like a bunch of friends there, and we ate good food. We went to the I went one day shopping in Kathmandu, which was
Thamel. We went to Thamel. Yeah, we went to Thamel.
yeah, and then we
I have to tell them about that incident.
which one?
So you bought that Kama Sutra card, right?
I found a lot of interesting stuff.
Someone said, what's your fun memories together? That's also one. It was not fun memories, but she found this Kama Sutra card that people were selling in Tamil. And, like the poses from the, I don't know.
I was shocked to see that. I was like, oh my god, this exists.
Yeah, and she bought like two cards. You took like three, right? She bought three cards, two Kama Sutra cards, one for me, one for her, and it was a gift, right? And I could not even throw, and I didn't know what to do with it, so I just hid in my room. And so my mom cleaned the room. She didn't check the card, but then she just threw it, like dustbin ma. One of the uncle, he was cleaning. I don't know, something happened, but he found the card and he gave it to my mom, saying, "I think it's your daughter's, and I think you just threw it." And my mom was so embarrassed. They had all the photos, and my mom called me and she was like, "Kanchi, amma, mama, mama." You were best friends since? I think
2016.
Yeah, 2016 or 2017, in between.
No, we became best friends first and then we just kept in touch.
Yeah.
and things kept like growing. It's not like we became best friends over a period of time. No, we became best friends first, and then we decided to like, because we're both so busy. She used to travel back to Nepal, and then I don't know, just different places. And I was traveling for my shoots all over. So I don't think in between we even had that time to get and like be like, oh, now we are transitioning from friends to best friends or
It just
something.
happened.
We became really great friends first, and then we carried on our lives and made sure that we take care of each other as we go along.
But yeah, she's my family in Mumbai. We are more than friends. She's like my sister. And she's someone who supports me and who's been there for me. So, you know, like industry ma, you meet new people, you meet like different people, and you can't always trust everyone because we were just talking about it yesterday. Like they don't always have right intentions for you, and even she went through that, even I went through that. You know, it's really hard to find true friends.
Yeah, it's like, you know, when you're in this industry, of course, it's such a highly competitive industry. So
Not
everyone's
happy.
like, yeah, not everyone's happy for you. Everyone's competing with you, rather. So the very few people are genuinely happy when you do something nice. And that's how we are, you know, because we've seen our journeys. And for me, it's like I'm happy when people are doing well, you know, and I am a very vulnerable person. So when I meet someone, I want to be able to talk about my life and just tell true stories. So I can do that with Lemmy, you know, without fearing that, oh my God, it's gonna go somewhere else or anything
Or
like
she's gonna
that.
feel bad or something. Like
Yeah,
Um,
I have to say that she's so amazing. And she loves.
What's the one thing you would go through your bestie's life in the past and say? What's one thing she would say?
What? What's the one thing you would go to your bestie's life in past and say her? Oh, she means, I think, if I could go back in your life and ask you to change something, what is that one thing I would say?
Huh?
Yeah, I think like when Lemmy is dating someone and I've and I've known that that person's not been the right person, but she is so blindly in love, and she, you can say that to our viewers, and he would just take away the time that was supposed to be.
Yeah, and she like hated when I used to, because when I was dating, like I've been single for the past 2 years. Are you happy now?
But you're not in India only.
But I still talk to you. So another question is, will she be doing any Nepali projects if there is any offer anytime soon? Will you?
I will do.
Yeah.
I think there's so many Nepali songs that are so beautiful.
Yeah. So please book her so she can come to Nepal.
I can come on like fashion shows and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think she would do it.
Showstopper. Lemmy has a couple of designer friends as well.
What is your suggestion to a teenager who feels lost and don't know where to start?
Okay, my suggestion would be, you know, one is that you have a passion and you go for your passion, and then you're just so driven by your passion that it's very easy for you to figure out your next step. But in case you don't know what you're passionate about, then you should maybe you can also do something like an aptitude test, that these tests that can tell you what are you intelligent at or what are you
test?
good at. It's called an aptitude test.
Really?
So
Is
I
there
did
anything like
that. Yeah, it's that. So that's what career counselors do as well. So you can go to a career counselor, you can do your aptitude test, figure out what you're good at, like the different kind of intelligence, like
So can you give
kinesthetic, and
them the details of where can you find this thing?
just type it on Google, aptitude test.
Aptitude test.
Yeah, so they'll give you a bunch of questions, and once you answer them, you'll be able to figure out for yourself with the scores, and as you answer them, you'll realize what you really like, and then you can study for the same and get into it.
Nice. I didn't know about it, but that's really cool.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Can you open? What are your side hustles?
I think most of the hustle that happens in our lives, in lives that in a profession like ours, which we have to build by ourselves and it's artistic, all of the hustle happens on the side, most of it, because when you see Lemmy doing her shoots, right? Or you see her starting something or a brand or clothing brand, whatever, but so much goes into it, so much of dealing with people, it's a lot of hustle, a lot of things on the side happen before you see the final picture. The same goes for me. Before you see me in my show, I have to audition multiple rounds for it.
She goes for
and
like 5-6 auditions a day, and it's not easy.
yeah, so
hectic.
and then you really have to prove yourself, and then you're there on the screen, and beyond that there's just so many different things. Like lately I was complaining about not getting my payment, and it's like I have earned so much money for myself, but it's just
Yeah.
different people who are not clearing my payment,
That happened with me. So this time I'm here to get my money. But my
Last time you got
last
it?
time I got everything. So
Great.
I just have from one production house, but she needs to get still.
Yeah, so I think that's again a part of the hustle.
And you
a lot
have
of
to
things like
run
that.
after your own hard-earned money, and it's really sad here. How long has it been that they haven't?
It's been a while. Oh, that producers not paid me for 2 years plus. So yeah, there are different kind of people stalking other people, and of course it's very competitive. It's highly competitive. So you really have to be good at everything you do. So you have to learn a lot. Like, have to be good at dancing. You have to be good at acting, of course, which means like I'm doing these multiple courses, and when I'm not acting on the screen, I'm constantly either auditioning or watching movies or doing my acting classes or dance classes, so you always have to keep doing your thing to generate work for yourself and to be the best and offer you guys the best.
Yay! Where is your hometown and birthplace, please? She was born in Bihar. No, she was born in Dehradun, but she's Bihari, originally Bihari, but she was born in Dehradun. So I was born in Solukhumbu, but raised in Kathmandu. Yeah. How's it working in the modeling and film industry?
I think for me it's just about doing my job. So like for me, I love acting and I love the people I meet at work. There's a lot of hustle, yes, a lot of hustle, a lot of like you're also by yourself. There's a lot of loneliness at times, but I think that's a part of the job, and I try to make the most of it. I try to see it in the most positive way I can, and I just keep going. But when I'm shooting, when I'm on the set in front of the camera, that's when I'm having a ball of a time.
Yay!
And how about you? And for Lemmy, it's like she's meeting these beautiful people, traveling to beautiful places, and like making everyone beautiful.
Yeah, it's fun. So I like to work with different faces. That's what I get to do in the fashion industry, model industry in Mumbai. But besides that, yeah, the payment is kind of like you really have to run after your money, and that was kind of demotivating for me. But besides that, everything is amazing. I mean, I built my portfolio really strong. I got to meet with so many people. I've worked with the really big photographers, big people, and I'm really grateful for the opportunity that I had from the industry. Because India really, they fly down on like really big people, when
Yep.
like they have their big campaign. It's mad. Done with our questions, and we did have a lot of fun while making this video.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much for being here, and when I come to Mumbai again later, we should, this video was so random, so I didn't get to do a proper setup, but we will do it again next time when I come here. But thank you for being here. It was lovely having you on the channel.
Thank you, guys. Hope you loved it and you got some insights on our life and what we do and how things are. And we'll be back with some more question answers in case you want.
Yeah, sure.